Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Queen & Company just released their brand new Halloween kit. This is called Hocus Pocus, and it's a shaker kit and it's so adorable. So let me go ahead and show you everything that's included in the kit. There is a full 6x6 paper pad included. So it's 24 sheets, double-sided papers. There are 16 different styles, so you'll receive 3 of each design. And just like most of the Queen & Company paper pads, almost all of the patterns, the designs will work all year round. There was really only 2 specific patterns in here that are Halloween. Because you could use this orange polka dot anytime. I love the stars, the nighttime sky. There's some plaids and some yellow diagonal stripes. And then there's a very specific Halloween design. So like I said, you'll get 3 of each pattern, and they're beautiful and nice and bright colors. And then there is a full sheet of die cuts included, and these are so much fun. There are 2 sentiments, and then the other 5 have multiple pieces to build your little shaker. And they're mostly witch themes. So there's the haunted house, the witch's skirt, the broom, the hat, and then the little potion bottle. And then you'll receive 3 sheets of the foam. So you'll have a total of 3 foam and acetate pieces for each of the designs. So that means you can make a total of 21 shakers. So that's quite a bit. So right now I'm just going to pop out all of these foam pieces and match them on the coordinating die, just so you can see how they line up together. And many of the shakers will require multiple dies. So there's like the witch's shoes, there's the broomstick. So lots of different variety to create very unique shakers. And of course you will receive an acetate cover for all 21 of those foam pieces. And these are great because they're all pre-cut. So you don't have to do any fussy cutting with acetate. It's just ready to go. Queen & Company makes the easiest shaker cards. And then there is a full 4x6 inch sentiment stamp set. I love these. Some great sentiments. Queen & Company always has the best fonts. So there's just some standard Happy Halloween and then just a lot of really fun sentiments. And then next up are the exclusive shaker toppings. I love how Queen & Company keeps coming out with new designs for their shaker toppings. They already sell a huge variety on their website, so it's great when they come out with new ones. Of course, then it's really challenging to try to figure out which ones you want to use every time. So the first ones that I'm showing are these little squares, but they have like a slight rounded top to them with a little bit of sparkle. They're really pretty. And then next are some stars, and these are like some little beaded stars. There's about 5 or 6 of each color. Aren't those fun? Those will look great as an embellishment on the card, but they're small enough that they would fit inside a shaker as well. And then the final topping are these tiny little stars, and they have a holographic look to them, especially that silver. I don't know if you can see that from the light, sort of a rainbow look on there. So those are really pretty. So this is everything you'll receive in the Hocus Pocus kit. And then I did pick up a few of the add-ons. So just so I make sure I have enough supplies, I grabbed another foam and acetate refill, another paper pack, and then also another topping set. So these are all sold individually. And then kind of a must-have, at least in my opinion, are the outline dies. This is still a fairly new item from Queen & Company, and I love them. Just a genius item, really. So let me just show you the difference between the dies that are included in the kit and then the outline dies. So the outline dies are very plain. They don't do any kind of stitching. They literally just cut out the outline. So that way when you have a pattern paper behind your shaker, you don't have to try to fussy cut around that foam piece. You just use that outline die and it's perfect and ready to go. And then another add-on, there's this 4-pack of the Pearlies toppings, all in Halloween colors. And they come in these nice bottles. a little bigger than their standard little Tic Tac size. The toppings that are included in the kit are nice, but if you really want to fill those shakers, you're going to want to pick up some extra toppings. Another add-on item is the Halloween embellishment bundle. So you'll receive 9 different packages in here, and yes, there's some missing from mine, but I didn't actually pick up the new bundle. I just pulled these from my stash, so I have used a few of them. But this one includes 3 sets of spirals, 3 sets of their bullseyes, and then 3 sets of their trio trims. Purchasing the bundle is a savings of 32% because it currently retails for $14.95, so it's a really good price. There are a couple other bundles available. There's a bling bundle and then also a flower bundle. So if you really like to add a lot of embellishments to your cards, I would suggest just checking those out. As I'm recording this voiceover, all of these products are currently in stock, but the Halloween kits do tend to sell out fairly quickly. So if you're wanting to grab a kit before it sells out, I suggest not waiting. I do have links in the description box for all of the items that I just showed. And stay tuned to my channel because I will be using my 6x6 paper pad tutorial for this kit, so I'm going to use up all of that paper and we'll see how many cards I create. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.